Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. If today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube or coming across my channel on YouTube, please do not hesitate by hitting the subscribe button. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm about to do a lovely nude and blue polygel. You guys are going to see it at the end of the video. I did the prepping off camera because I was really tired. I had a client in the morning and this came in the evening, so I was really tired. I did, thank God, when she came, it was a very simple nail, so I just rushed to do the prepping off camera. If you guys want to know how I do my prepping, you guys can watch other my videos is on my channel, so just scroll and go, just run to my channel to watch the prepping of my nails. Okay, I already did all the application. Now that's my Model 1 polygel, that's my clear polygel, which I don't know how to say the name, that's my rubbing alcohol. All of this stuff are from Amazon. If you want to get it, I'm going to put the link in my description box. Okay, so now I'm putting the nude polygel on the nails. I'm going to work it from the cuticle area, slightly push it down to the tips, just to have a full coverage of the nails. Okay, just to make sure the polygel covers all the nails. After that, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to do this on all the nails and I'll cure them for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Let me give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You are very welcome. You guys are welcome. Welcome to the channel. In this channel, we do polygels, we do polygel nails, we unbox and we review products. Okay, you guys will not regret coming to this channel. Stick around and see all the goodies that we have. You will enjoy watching all these videos. You are welcome. I so much appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you turn on the post notification bell so that when we upload any video, you will get notified. Please like, share, comment, and also tell people about my videos. Okay, and to my old subscribers, come on, you think I'll forget you guys? No, you are welcome back. Welcome back again to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking, and thank you for commenting. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much. So I'm still going to apply. I'm still applying the polygel. I'm applying the second layer to the nails. After applying the second layer to the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. The polygel was really light, so I had to apply the second layer to the nails. If your polygel is thick, you don't need the second layer, but if it's light, definitely need a second layer to the nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So after applying my second layer to the nails, I cured that for 60 seconds. In my previous video, I show you guys what we meant by curing our nails for 60 seconds. Now I'm applying the clear polygel. I'm just going to apply the clear polygel on all the nails, and I will also cure it for 60 seconds. I apply clear polygel so that when I file, I don't overfile my colored polygel on the nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it's changed.
So that's my sleep solution I make sure I use it to clean the surface of the nails really good, just to take out all the stickiness from the nails, so that when I start filing, it doesn't damage my file. Do you guys know that Polygel is really sticky? When I mean very sticky, so you need a slip solution or a rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of the nails. Okay, so that's my cat hand file. I'm just going to use it to file the surface of the nails, and then I'm going to go with my drill bit, which is my cuticle drill bit. I'm going to use it to walk around all the cuticle areas. Whenever you are doing this, guys, be very careful, because these things can cut the person's skin or can cut your skin. Okay, so I'm just going to use it to walk around the cuticle areas of all the nails. So now I'm gonna go in with my ear file just to do some finishing, just to do some filing on all the nails and making sure that the nails are equal and well filed. I'm also gonna use it to file the tip of the nails and also file the cuticle areas of each nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So I'm gonna go in with my hand file again, just to make sure I get the perfect shape that she wants. She wanted a coffin, so I make sure I get the perfect shape for her. Also, I'll use it to shape the tip of the nails to make sure all the nails are equal.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
If at this point you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will get notified. Please like my videos because it really helps me. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the sanding bands. I'm just going to use it to walk around the cuticle areas and also use it to file the tip, just to make sure I have a perfect finishing. Okay, I like to use my sanding band because it helps me when I apply my top coat.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
So I have my buffer. I'm just going to use it to buff all the nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past has changed.
So guys, this is what we have after buffing the nails. So I'm going to go with my slip solution to clean all the dust that came out of the nail, so that when I apply my top coat, it don't get dusty. Okay, so I'm just applying my Glossate top coat. I'm going to apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Change, been through.
So guys, let's skip to the good part. That's my Anself blue gel, that's my blooming gel, that's my white gel. I already have that. I missed it already because I use it in the for a right nails off camera. Products are really expensive, guys. I don't want to waste it, but you guys are gonna see me when I use it. Okay, so those are my tools that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna draw a little heart. That's what she wanted. I told you guys it's just a simple nail design that you can rock. You can use it to go to any place. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a heart. I make 2 dots, and then I'll connect it. That's it. It's very easy to make a heart. Okay, so I'll just 2 dots, connect, and then that's it. So after drawing the heart, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, for the index finger, I'm just going to draw 2 lines from both sides of the nails, and then I'll just connect it at the tip of the nails. It's just like a little French nails, but it's very, very slim. Okay, the lines are very, very tiny, so I'm just going to connect them. After that, I'll cure them for 60 seconds. So guys, the reason I applied my top coat first is that when I make any mistake, I can actually clean off the mistake and then just continue doing my design. So I'm gonna apply, that's the blooming gel. I'm gonna apply the blooming gel on the nails. I do not cure it. You don't cure your blooming gel. So I'm gonna apply the color that I mixed, which is the blue and the white. I'm just gonna apply it on the nails. It's like a marble, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, this is what we have after applying the marbles to all the nails and curing them for 60 seconds. So I'm going to apply my top coat on all the nails, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds. I want to apologize if there is any noise, or if there was any noise. I am sorry. My window is right across the street. Please bear with me because I'm doing these nails like at 2 a.m. in the morning, so I needed to wait up to this time just to make sure I get a lesser noise. So that's my cuticle oil. I'm gonna apply it on all the nails, and there you guys will see the beauty of these nails.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Guys, this is the finished look of these beautiful nails. I told you guys it was a very simple and easy nails, very easy style. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys understood this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.